How to add cover photo on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add cover photo on Facebook mobile. First you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click this three lines here, and now click on your username to see your profile, and then just click this one, add cover photo, and then click here upload photo, and then select any photo you want and just save it. And that's how to add a cover photo on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.